In April 1912, the RMS Titanic set sail on her maiden voyage from Southampton to New York, hailed as the most advanced and luxurious ship ever built. Designed by the White Star Line and stretching over 882 feet, Titanic was considered nearly unsinkable, equipped with 16 watertight compartments and the latest engineering of the era. On the night of April 14th, in the cold waters of the North Atlantic, the ship struck an iceberg. The collision damaged several compartments, allowing water to spread beyond the ship's defenses. Within hours, the great liner slowly sank beneath the sea. The disaster shocked the world and led to major changes in maritime safety, leaving Titanic remembered not only for its grandeur, but also as a powerful lesson in human ambition and vulnerability.